Photon is now going to be tied for first place with Petron. Although Petron has more ranking points, you like your chances if you're Photon to aim for that #1 spot.
And this is a good win for them. It has momentum. Ayan, may kita mo si Dindin Manabat, bumabalik na yung ano niya, yung mga tira niya.
Right.
And of course, si Jaja Santiago, you put her in the outside, you put her in the opposite, she delivers. Of course, Ariel Usher na ikakasal na next year. Ang ganda rin ng mga reception.
Mexico yan, Mexico.
Oo, ang ganda rin ng mga palo. Everybody just knew what to do. Even the blocks, look at that. A single blocker there earned the point. Whether from the bench or first six, they deliver.
Good all-around game by the Photon Tornadoes in the win. Let's take a look at the numbers from that third set. Atake, napunta lang sa Photon. Medyo pumalag itong signal ng ating unang bahagi ng third set. Pero nung dulo, bigla lang humarurot na talaga itong Tornadoes.
Oh, kasi nawalan talaga ng first ball reception ang ang signal. Kaya if you don't have that, you cannot really run a play. Unlike in the first set, when they appeared here, the tempo was fast. They had good first balls. Parang naubusan lang sila ng energy in the latter sets.
And of course, itong kapana naman ng signal, they will drop now to 1 win and ano ba record yan? 1 win and 6 ba yan?
10 losses
1 and 10 na.
Yes.
So talagang down.
Sorry, 8 losses.
8 losses.
Yes.
So that is going to drop them even further down the team standings, but there's still enough time. Well, tignan natin yung ating game summary dito, Chiki. You can see the attack points completely dominated by Photon.
Completely dominated. Even the blocking points dominated. Service aces dominated. Errors din na naig din doon ng Photon. So in all aspects, it was total teamwork. They were relaxed. They were having fun. In the beginning, they were trying to figure out what Signal was up to because nananakaw sa kanila yung tempo, yung momentum, and then they woke up and took away that first set and there was no looking back.